Vivo has officially announced that it will launch its highly anticipated X200 series on October 14th in China. Will be the world's first phones equipped with the Dimensity 9400 chip, and Dimensity 9400 Geekbench scores are live. And this is the first looks Vivo X200 Pro flat metal frame, center large circle deco design. The standard X200 featuring a compact 6.5-inch display and featuring a 1.5K resolution flat panel with symmetrical bezels on all four sides. And Vivo X200 Pro is likely to feature a 6.7-inch 2K resolution OLED panel with curvature on all four sides. Both phones have a 120 Hz refresh rate and an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor, and both phones up to 4,500 nits of peak brightness. The company shared the first camera sample from the telephoto shooter, revealing a brighter aperture than its predecessor. The main camera will have a 50MP Sony IMX921 sensor, the ultra-wide-angle snapper will have another 50MP Samsung ISOCELL JN1 sensor, and 50M IMX882 periscope camera. The X200 Pro may come with a large battery that will exceed 6,000 mAh in capacity. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.